Hello, friends. It is a very cold Tuesday. So, I am here at my workspace and I'm a little crooked, but it is what it is. Anyway, we are working on a 2013 Dodge Caravan. I'm still having copyright issues, so I'm just going to do my videos in this format where you have to see me. But sorry. Anyway, this van is not actually in that bad a shape. It is pretty clean as far as not a lot of trash and things like that. But the seats are dirty. The carpets are pretty dirty. This is a car from the car lot, so the seller wants me to do the usual, wipe it down, get it cleaned up and vacuumed, and you have 4 hours to do it. So, here we go. I don't know what I was thinking when I started doing this video. I forgot to put my headlamp on, so it's going to be hard to see some of the car. This Caravan, just like the others, has the most impossible carpet. I love Dodge Caravans, but I cannot stand the carpet that they use in those. That is the worst stuff on the planet. Anyway, the vehicle is not in that bad a shape as far as trash and staining and all of that, but the impossible carpet is not going to come clean. This one, again, just like the others, has a bunch of cat hair or dog hair or something, and so it's not going to come out, and neither is the embedded dirt, but I'm going to do what the seller wanted and vacuum it up and wipe it down. Since the winter cold has set in, I'm using my friend's garage to do the detailing in for the cold months. So I'm having to use the headlamp. I'm going to look into maybe getting my hands on some other lights so that I could maybe light up the vehicle a little bit more. Look at these vents. I couldn't get them clean at all. It goes way back in there, and I believe this vehicle was on a dirt road or something. I have no idea where those floor mats go. They do not fit in the back, so I'm not really sure, but I made them mostly fit here. Like I said, these carpets did not do very well. But like I said, this is not the first Dodge Caravan that I have done. See, there's some more. I just could not get those cleaned out. I didn't know what the heck. That's my towel. I'm getting ready to clean windows real quick, but I wanted to give you a quick look. Everybody will take a moment to like and comment and subscribe. I would love to have you. I have 5 details total to do, so 1 down, 4 to go. And that is for this week from now, Tuesday, until Friday. So we'll get them done. But anyway, I hope everybody has a good one, and we will see you on the next video. Peace.